valedictorian, Evan Greenwood.
Thank you. At this moment, it is important to recognize and remember the essential fact that we did not get here alone. Throughout our journeys in the White Plains School District, we have had parents or guardians who pushed us to achieve more and instilled in us the knowledge that education would be the key to our success. We have had principals and administrators who have devised a dynamic curriculum for us. We have had custodial staffs who ensured our school days went effectively and without a hitch. And last, but certainly not least, we have had teachers that have filled our minds with knowledge, inspired our curiosity, and worked with us every step of the way to guarantee that we would reach this moment. Now, it's appropriate to give each and every one of these individuals the special and hefty things that they deserve. In addition to cultivating our minds, teachers are given the lofty task of preparing us for the future. Before today, the future seemed to be some distant, abstract concept, perpetually on the horizon. Well, today, the future is here, and the future is ours. As we embark on our journeys after graduation, we must understand the fundamental truth that our ownership of the future comes with a responsibility. The obligation to shape the world in the way we feel is best. If there is something around us that we do not like, it is our duty to change it. No one is going to change it for us. Our legacy will be formed by the impact we will have on the world around us. Nobody remembers the names of those who stood idly by in the face of problems and issues around them. History celebrates those with the courage to stand up and advocate for what they feel is right, even if the idea is unpopular. Change is not something to be feared, but rather something to be embraced and encouraged. And now some words for the Spanish-speaking community. Ahora, unas palabras para el público hispanohablante. Al empezar nuestra nueva vida después de la graduación, necesitamos entender una verdad fundamental, que nuestro futuro viene con una gran responsabilidad, la obligación de formar el mundo hacia una vida mejor. Si hay algo alrededor de nosotros que no nos gusta, es nuestro deber cambiarlo. Nadie va a hacerlo por nosotros. Nuestro legado será formado por el impacto que tendremos en el mundo. Nadie recuerda los nombres de las personas que no hacen nada cuando hay problemas. La historia celebra a las personas que demuestran coraje cuando luchan por lo que es justo, aun cuando sus ideas no son populares. Cambio no es algo al que debemos tener miedo, sino algo que debemos celebrar y animar. Our generation has been consistently lambasted for indifference. We are viewed as apathetic, and our students not care about what is going on around us. And it is true that our demographic has the lowest turnout in the voting booth. But I am confident that we can be the ones to reverse this trend and show the world our true potential to effect positive change. We have already done great work in high school. I have seen it. So many of us have spent countless hours of our time working to better the community around us. Many of our peers have well-formed opinions about issues that are truly important to them. These are quite commendable, and they are the perfect means for activism. We must be sure to hold on to these gifts for as long as we can. The world around us demands action. There are problems to fix, issues to address, and inequalities to remedy. Our world is certainly not ideal. We can all pledge to do our part in order to bring it closer to this goal. In doing so, we can fulfill our destinies. Thank you. Congratulations and best of luck to the class of 2013.